Here I need to break this up into different Laplace transforms. I've got the Laplace of 1 times sine 4t, that's just sine 4t, plus the Laplace of e to the 2t sine 4t. So notice here, because we have an exponential multiplied by some other function, this is where we're going to use that first translation theorem. We use this. And then minus 3 times the Laplace of e to the negative 3t times sine 4t. And again, because I have that exponential multiplied by some other function, I'm going to use that translation theorem. So first, let's look up the sine 4t, and that's this one up here. The Laplace of the sine bt is b over s squared plus b squared. So the Laplace of sine 4t is going to be 4 over s squared plus 4 squared, or 4 over s squared plus 16. Now notice that in each one of these cases we have sine of 4t, but we've got it shifted, and so our answers will look similar, but we're going to shift these s's. So here Laplace of e to the 2t sine 4t, I would refer to the Laplace of the sine 4t, which I have on the first term, and then e to the 2t, you're shifting 2 units. In this case, for my translation theorem, a is 2, so this says wherever I have s, replace it with s minus 2. Okay, so I'm going to have that first term, 4, in the denominator, instead of s, I'll have s minus 2 squared plus 4 squared, or plus 16. And then on my last term I have minus 3 times, and again we have that sine 4t, so I'll have 4 over s squared plus 4 squared, but here the s is shifted 3 units in the opposite direction. In this case, a is negative 3, and so I get s minus negative 3, or s plus 3. My s will be changed to s plus 3. You probably want to simplify this a little bit to get 4 over s squared plus 16. And on your second term, when you multiply out the s minus 2 squared, you get s squared minus 4s plus 4. And then that's added to the 16 that you have here. And then on the last term, 3 times 4 gives me 12. And then multiplying out the s plus 3 squared gives me s squared plus 6s plus 9. And then we would add those constants. So I get 4 over s squared plus 16. I get 4 over s squared minus 4s, and the 4 plus 16 gives me a 20. And I get minus 12 over s squared plus 6s plus, and 9 and 16 gives me 25, would be my answer.